Hello, hello, hello everybody. Root Beer here, looking at question number 6 as we continue on with the 2015 Manitoba Math Contest. Question 6, hopefully you've given it a try. If not, of course, click the very first link in the description and you will get a copy of this contest. Pause the video, try 6, try 7, try the rest of the contest. And it's really the best way to practice. So 6, the sides of a right triangle are x plus 2, x plus 6, and 2x. Find all possible values of x. Alright, so we've got a right triangle here. Now, the problem here is, you might say, okay, x plus 2, x plus 6, 2x, but who's to say 2x is the hypotenuse? We don't know that. All we can say for certain is that x plus 2 is definitely less than x plus 6. So x plus 2 is not the hypotenuse. But if x is less than 6, x plus 6 is the bigger of these two. So we have two possible triangles. So we can even say this one here for x greater than 6. And this one here means x is less than 6. Okay, so we got these right angles here. And now, well, we really only have one thing to do, and that's, we know they're right angled, so they have to satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. So we can set those up and get probably quadratic in terms of x. One of them will likely be x negative, and we'll throw that out. So 4x squared is x squared plus 12x plus 36, plus x squared plus 4x plus 4. 2x squared minus 16x minus 40 equals 0. X squared minus 8x minus 20 equals 0. 2 that add to negative 8 and multiply to negative 20, x minus 10, x plus 2. So x is either 10, well that is bigger than 6, so that makes sense, or x is negative 2, which is ridiculous. 2x must be greater than 0. It is a length. So x could be 10, or then there's this possibility. Okay, so we have to deal with that. So x plus 6 squared could be 2x squared plus x plus 2 squared. So we'll have x squared plus 12x plus 36 is equal to 4x squared plus x squared plus 4x plus 4. And we'll bring it all over onto one side. We get 0 is 4x squared. And then 4x minus 12x is minus 8x. 4x minus 36x is minus 32. Sorry, 4 minus 36. No x's in there. Divide by 4, we'll get x squared minus 2x minus 6. No, not 16, 8. And we're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 8 and add to negative 2. Alternatively, of course, you can always use the quadratic formula. That always works. So that tells me x is 4, or again, x is negative 2. But again, we don't count that one. And x is 4, yes, this makes sense because x is less than 6. So, either x is 4 or x is 10, and that's all they asked me for. They didn't ask me for potential areas or anything, right? Nope, just find all possible values of x. Two values, and that makes sense to us because it was, in essence, a quadratic style question. The most we ever did was square things. But we did have two cases, so there was potential for 4 answers. But of course, 2 of them were discounted. So that finishes off question number 6. In the next video, join me for question number 7. And in the meantime, if you'd like to subscribe to be kept up to date, or if you just want to throw a like, or feel free to leave a comment to let me know how you're doing as you practice these things, all of that is much appreciated and lets me know that you guys are engaged and just shows some support. But no matter what, I will see you guys later and have yourself a wonderful day.